The basics of how to get your clothing brand in retail stores. Starting your own clothing line is a big move given the competition. But the secret here is how you position your brand in the market, and you just have to be quick about it. Right now, there's only one way you can massively distribute your products: retail. The question is, how can you penetrate retail stores? In this quick guide, we will share important tips on how you can get clothing brand in retail stores, how to build a strong brand identity for retail success. Before we delve into getting your clothing line to retail stores, it is important that you invest in building a strong brand. Here's how you can do it. Develop a comprehensive brand image. Your clothing line must have a well-crafted logo, a consistent and identifiable color palette, a unique name, and a design style that resonates with your potential customers or target market. This branding extends to all garments, accessories, and other offerings, making it easier to enter retail stores. Build a digital presence and create online stores. In today's digital age, having an e-commerce website or a strong online presence is vital. Most retailers prefer to see a functional website or online store before considering collaboration. This digital footprint helps in building credibility and reach. Create a lookbook. A lookbook is a collection of professional photographs showcasing your clothing products. It not only boosts sales and introduces your new collection to the customers, but also demonstrates the evolution of your brand to potential retailers. Keep updating the lookbook regularly to keep retailers engaged and interested, understanding and navigating the retail landscape. To make a cut into the competitive retail landscape, you should get the following things right. Competitive analysis. Thoroughly research your competitors, including where they sell their products. Utilize e-commerce websites to analyze sales, reviews, and customer feedback. Understanding the competition helps in positioning your brand strategically in the market. Preparation for retail entry. Ensure that your brand is consistent and ready for large-scale production. Having your design files ready and maximizing your ability to produce garments in bulk is essential for a smooth entry into retail stores. Smart product pricing strategy. Determine a fair price point that appeals to both customers and retailers. This doesn't mean matching competitors' prices, but finding a balance that ensures sustainability and attractiveness to retail stores. 4 basic steps in taking your clothing brand in retail stores. 1. Develop your brand identity. The identity of your clothing brand is developed by knowing who would want to wear your clothes. Who is your target market? Is your brand unique from other clothing lines? Your customers might like it if they would know that your designs are not like any other brand out there and that they can't get it anywhere else. One of the most important factors in delivering the best customer experience is by making them feel as if your brand is made exactly for them. Most people want to resonate with the clothes they're wearing. You just need to figure out your brand identity first so you know how to market them in stores. 2. Make your product ready for retail. If you want to take your clothing brand to retail stores, you better make it retail ready. This step includes completing an image of your clothing product that will make it scream all the things that represent your brand. You strategically incorporate your trademark logo to the custom packaging. If your packing looks just like anybody else's, that isn't close to being unique. Let's bet that your customers would really like to be reminded where they got their new trendy top from. And if their friends like that top as much as your customer does, you'll be glad you have that tiny little tag wrapped around the paper bag handle. Why do you think people love it when they carry paper bags from high-end fashion brands around the mall? It's simply because of the brand. Imagine if that's your brand. 3. Smart product pricing. Retail product pricing plays a vital role in marketing your clothing brand to retail stores. So you have to be smart about it. At the end of the day, it all boils down to profit. What will the retailers gain if they sell your products in their store? As the wholesaler, you can provide a suggested retail price, SRP, to the retailers. With this, you shall include the wholesale price of your clothing products, and then they can calculate their percentage markup and how much they can profit from the partnership. The numbers you provide should convince them to take the deal. 4. Establish reasonable terms. Draft reasonable terms that should benefit both parties in the long run. Your partnership terms include orders, payments, delivery systems, exchange and returns, and insurance. Make sure you cover everything to avoid future misunderstandings. Should you require renegotiations, both parties must agree and stay transparent on all changes. In a nutshell, these 4 steps are fundamental in figuring out how to take your clothing brand to the next level by selling it in retail stores. However, once you actually get there, more work shall be done. You'll have to strategize your sales plan further and find the right help in launching your product. Expect a few bumps, but with just the right amount of determination, there's no stopping to your success. If you are interested in getting your products placed at retail, visit RetailBound, www.retailbound.com, or call 630-246-4068 for more information. Apart from the above steps, also make sure to participate in trade shows. Attend trade shows like Magic or Pool to meet retail buyers, understand current trends, and network with other brand owners. Setting up your booth at these events can be a significant step in gaining retail attention. Hire an experienced sales support team. Sales reps with experience in selling apparel to retail buyers can be invaluable. They have the contacts and expertise to present your brand effectively to retailers. Maintain professionalism and persistence. Approach retail buyers and sales reps professionally, showcasing your passion and conviction for your products. Be persistent in following up without being annoying. A well-organized approach coupled with respectful persistence can lead to success. Experience the transformative power of launching your products in retail with our RetailBound launch service. We're here to simplify the process of selling to and working with retailers of all shapes and sizes. Our team, boasting over 170 years of combined experience in retail, is dedicated to making your journey to retail success smoother and more efficient. With RetailBound Launch, you're not just launching a product, you're launching a brand.